Welcome to this video tutorial on the topic of implant restorations in the administration phase. This video will show you how to create the different abutment types. First of all, select the abutment option in the sidebar under Indications. By using CEREC, implants can be restored with a screw-retained crown or with a multi-layer abutment. Let's take a closer look at the difference. With the multi-layer abutment, a ceramic structure is produced by the CEREC software that is glued on the tie base extraorally, thereby forming the abutment. The abutment is then screwed in intraorally and then finally treated with a crown. The CEREC software allows you to edit both the mesostructure as well as the crown in parallel in just a few steps. With the screw-retained crown, the ceramic structure is designed anatomically, glued extraorally, and then screwed in intraorally. Finally, the screw channel is sealed by using a composite. Now, we'll create a multi-layer abutment. We select Biogeneric Individual for the design mode. The material selection is separated into two sections. The framework material for the mesostructure is selected first, followed by the material for the crown. We'll select a block from the favorite materials previously defined. We then define the grinding and milling unit. Each tie base interface is individually designed and depends on the different implant manufacturers' designs. Therefore, we first need to define which implant type needs to be treated. Depending on the situation, you can choose between a tie base or a scan post. In addition to the tie base or the scan post, you need a scan body for scanning. Scan bodies are available in sizes S and L for the different CEREC camera systems. The white scan bodies are used for the blue cam and the gray ones for the Omnicam. The tie base can be used for scanning in case implants are placed supragingival. This should only be selected once the correct positioning of the scan body can be checked without any concerns. Using a scan post is recommended for implants when a deep gingival emergence profile is given. Only for the purpose of optical detection, the implant-specific scan post is screwed on the implant. We select the scan post, and then the position in the odontogram. The window Case Details provides an overview of the options selected. Next, we look at how a screw-retained crown is created. For this, we select the indication abutment once again, and then the screw-retained crown. We'll choose Biogeneric Individual for the design mode. Only one material is selected for a screw-retained crown. We'll select CEREC Zirconia Meso and define the grinding and milling unit. You can then select the corresponding tie base depending on the implant type. In this case, we'll also choose an acquisition by using a scan post. Finally, we click on the corresponding tooth position in the odontogram. Next, click on Acquisition to start the scan process. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to wish you every success when working with CEREC.